Hi everyone, welcome to I Just React and Review. My name is Ashmita and I hope you all are doing really well. And right now I will be reacting to my current vocal obsession, KS Harishankar. I am so glad. So I found out when I went to his channel there are 13 videos. I'll end up reacting to all of them. I think I've reacted to 3. This is the 4th one from his channel. So yes, 9 more left. Please let me know if all, I'm sure all are worth it. I'm sure all of those videos are worth it. So yes, this is Fir Le Aaya Dil. This is a very beautiful song from Barfi, the movie Barfi, and I already know this song is so beautiful and soulful, and now that I know of his vocals, I know it's going to be a great cover. So yes, without delaying this, let's bless all our ears by listening to his song Fir Le Aaya Dil, covered by KS Harishankar. Alright, let's start. Wow.
फिर ले आया दिल मजबूर क्या किए
Of course, amazing.
रास ना आया रहना दूर क्या किए जे दिल कह रहा उसे मुकम्मल कर भी आओ वो जो अधूरी सी बात बाकी है वो जो अधूरी सी याद बाकी है वो जो अधूरी सी याद बाकी है किस्मत को है ये मंजूर क्या कीजिए गबनी जरे नेरे नेदारे दामदार किस्मत को है ये मंजूर क्या कीजिए किस्मत को है ये मंजूर क्या किए जाए तेरा है हम बादस्तूर क्या किए जाए दिल कह रहा उसे मसलसल कर भी आओ वो जो रुकी सी राह बाकी है वो जो रुकी सी चाह बाकी है वो जो रुकी सी चाह बाकी है वो जो रुकी सी चाह बाकी है
think this is gonna be like a regular thing when I listen to a K.S. Harishankar cover, that I'm gonna be left speechless after the song gets over. My god, those beautiful, subtle alaps that he takes in between just kills me. Just kills me. They just add so much layer to the song and so much, and he does it with so much finesse. I just love it. His vocals are amazing. I'm gonna be like a broken record whenever I listen to a K.S. Harishankar song, that his vocals are just heavenly. His vocals are like, whenever I listen to his songs, whenever I listen to him sing now, my ears are blessed. The song Pukkal Pukkum, I don't know how many times I have listened to it now, so many times. I think I'll end up, memorizing the lyrics, because that song really sent me to heaven. Really, Pukkal Pukkum was like, now I have reacted to 5 of his songs. 5 of his songs, yes, 5 of his songs, and my favorite out of the 5, including this one, I would say it's still Pukkal Pukkum. That song really, I mean, if you see my reaction of Pukkal Pukkum, I was so hyper in that reaction, So I feel his vocals are just beyond amazing. Amazing is an understatement. Amazing is an understatement. Of course, guys, you don't have to tell me. I will react to most of his songs. I feel I'll end up reacting to most of his songs. I loved it. Absolutely loved it. No questions asked. I loved it. And in my last K.S. Harishankar reaction, I told you that I will react to a couple of his live performances. So the next one, probably I'll choose one of his live performances and I'll react to that, because I'm absolutely excited to know how he sounds live. So yes, guys, that was my reaction to K.S. Harishankar's cover. I hope you enjoyed this. If you have come till the end of the video, thank you so much for watching, guys, and I will see you on my next video. Bye bye.